So after making a millet pancake once, I go, this flavor is so nice. If I gave it to somebody, they probably wouldn't even know that it was not regular flour. So that's why I'm making a waffle. Easy. All the dry ingredients go in here. Mix that up well. Then I'll add the wet. Then all the wet ingredients went in there, including the butter, which I melted. And this is what I have. Okay? It should be plenty with a drop left over to make the waffle. I would have made like a quarter of a cup, but then I didn't think it would make it. The waffle machine's getting hot, and then we'll just pour it in. Spray it with Pam, and we'll see what happens. You can see the green light is on. I set it at number 5 because I like it crispy. And hopefully this will work. And if you're watching it, that means it did work. I think that should be enough. And the little bit that's left, I will put into turn it. The little bit that's left, I'll just put in a little pan and make a pancake. Okay, let's see what we have. I think I heard it beep. Not sure. And did you notice the mistake I made? I forgot to spray it with Pam. So I said, oh, the amount of butter that's in there, I hope it helps. Or there's still some spray left in there from the last time it was used. So that is, I had a little spillover. That means I could have dropped too much. But look at that waffle. I'm going to take a bite without any syrup. Oh, can you see how light that is inside? How fluffy. Look at all the holes in it. Nice and airy. And the reason why I said optional on the sugar, because for me, when you put maple syrup all over like so, why would you put sugar also in the mix? And there's the pancake, the little bit that was left over. So I have myself a waffle and a pancake. I hope you enjoy this.